Welcome to English Travel Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation at a busy American diner during the morning rush. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story between a couple, Ken and Lily, and the staff at the diner. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. How many orders does Rosa, the LineCook, have waiting when Ken talks to her in the kitchen? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Look at this place. There are so many people already.
It's only 7 in the morning. This diner is really popular. This small restaurant is famous for its food.
I can hear pans and dishes from here. It's very loud.
That's the kitchen. It sounds busy today.
A waiter just walked past us very quickly with 4 plates in his hands.
Wow, that's a lot of plates for one person.
I think we need to wait a few minutes for a table.
That's fine. I like watching the kitchen from here.
Me too. Look, you can see the cooks working through that window.
They are moving so fast. I can't believe how quick they are.
One cook is turning pancakes over with one hand. At the same time, she is opening eggs with the other hand.
That takes a lot of practice, I think.
Look at the line by the door. It's getting longer every minute.
I know. I think every table in this diner is full right now.
I can smell coffee and bacon from all the way over here.
It smells wonderful. I'm getting hungrier just standing here.
There's a small board by the door. It shows how busy they are.
What does it say?
It says the wait time is about 10 minutes right now.
That's not too bad. I can wait 10 minutes for good food.
Oh, look at this sign in the window.
What does it say?
It says, "Line cooks wanted. They need more workers in the kitchen."
That makes sense. This place is always full in the morning.
I wonder what it's like to work back there.
It looks really hard to me, but also exciting.
The cooks all seem to know exactly what to do without talking much.
They work well together. Everyone has a job and they just do it.
Even the waiters move fast between the tables and the kitchen window.
I see them picking up plates the second the cooks put them down.
Right, they pick up the food very quickly. Let's see how busy the kitchen really is.
A table just opened up. Let's go sit down.
Hi there. Sorry for the wait. What can I get you this morning?
No problem. I'll have pancakes with sweet maple syrup, please.
Sure. Would you like anything else with that?
Yes, and Ken would like scrambled eggs with a side of bacon.
Great choice. Do you want coffee or juice?
Coffee for both of us, please, and some orange juice too, if that's okay.
No problem at all. I'll bring the coffee first.
Thank you. It looks really busy here today.
Yeah, today is one of our busiest mornings this month.
Is it always like this on weekends?
Weekends are busy, but today is even busier than usual.
Why is that?
There's a big event in the city, so many visitors are in town.
Oh, that explains it. I hope the kitchen can cook all the food in time.
Don't worry, our cooks are very fast. You'll get your food soon.
That's good to hear. I was a little worried.
They have worked here a long time.
How many tables do you have this morning?
We have about 20 tables, and almost all of them are full right now.
20 tables? That's a lot for one small kitchen.
It is, but we have 3 cooks working back there together.
I saw one of them through the window. She's really quick.
That's Rosa. She's been here for years. She stays calm, even on very busy days.
I can tell. She looked so calm, even with all those orders.
That calm feeling comes with a lot of practice, I think.
I can imagine new cooks feel really worried at first.
They do, but the team helps each other a lot.
That's nice. It sounds like a strong team here. Okay, thank you for the coffee.
You're welcome. Your food will be ready in a few minutes.
Sounds great. Take your time. We're not in a rush.
Thank you. That helps us. Some customers get upset when it's busy.
I understand why, but I'd rather wait for good food.
I'll go put your order in now.
Excuse me, is it okay if I watch from here?
Sure, go ahead. A lot of customers like watching us cook.
This kitchen is amazing. I can see everything you're doing.
Yes, we have an open kitchen. You can see us make the food.
How many orders are you cooking right now?
See these tickets? I have 10 orders right now.
10 at the same time? That's really hard to believe.
I work on several orders at the same time. It's not as hard as it looks.
What's in each pan right now?
This one has eggs, that one has pancakes, and this one has bacon.
You're watching 3 pans and reading tickets at the same time?
Yes, that's part of the job now.
How do you remember what goes with each order?
Each ticket has the table number and the food items on it.
I see the tickets hanging on that metal bar.
Yes, that's our order rail. That's where all the new tickets go.
And when you finish an order, you take it off.
Exactly. I move the ticket to the other side when it's done.
That's a good way to do it. Everything has its place.
We have to keep it that way. If we do not do this, we may forget an order.
Do you ever give the wrong food to a table?
Sometimes, but not often. We check the tickets many times.
What happens if you make a mistake during a busy morning like this?
We fix it fast and make a new plate. There's no time to worry.
How long have you worked here?
I've worked here for 5 years. I started as a dishwasher.
Wow, 5 years. You must be really good at this now.
I hope so. Every morning is different and sometimes hard.
I watch you work, and now I think about trying this job.
It looks fun, but it's harder than it looks, trust me.
I believe you. My hands would probably shake with 10 orders.
Everyone feels that way at first. You get faster with time.
That's good to know. I think she's really good at her job.
Thank you. Now, excuse me, I need to finish this order.
Now, let's take a short break here. We are going to practice some useful words from today's video. We have 5 words today. Are you ready? Let's begin. The first word is diner. A small, casual restaurant, often open all day. For example, we had breakfast at a diner near the hotel. The second word is counter, meaning a long table where you sit or order. For example, we sat down at the counter to order. The third word is ticket, meaning a small paper that shows the food order. For example, the cook checked the ticket before cooking. The fourth word is crispy, meaning cooked until hard and a little dry. For example, this bacon is really crispy and good. The fifth word is check, meaning The paper that shows how much to pay. For example, could we get the check, please? Great work! That's all for today's word practice. Now, let's go back to Ken and Lily at their table.
This looks amazing. The pancakes smell so good.
My eggs and bacon look perfect too. Let's eat before it gets cold.
Wait, how long did we actually wait for this food?
I'm not sure. Let me check the time.
It felt like a long wait, but it was only a few minutes.
You're right. I thought we waited at least 15 minutes.
Me too, but after we ordered, the food came in only about 5 minutes.
That makes sense now. Remember what Rosa told me in the kitchen?
What did she say?
She said she had 10 orders waiting, and she works on several at the same time.
10 orders waiting? Now I understand why our food came out so fast.
Right. She wasn't just cooking our food. She was cooking everyone's food together.
That's actually really amazing. I couldn't do that.
Neither could I. My brain would just stop working.
Try your eggs. Are they good?
Yes, they're perfect. Not too dry, not too wet.
My pancakes are so soft. The cooks here really know what they are doing.
I'm glad we decided to eat here this morning.
Me too. And the coffee is really good as well.
Tom mentioned this is one of their busiest mornings this month.
Really? I can't imagine it being busier than this.
There's a big event in the city today. Tom said that's why so many people are here.
That explains all the people. This place is full.
Well, at least the kitchen can handle it.
Look at how many plates are still going out from the kitchen.
It hasn't slowed down at all since we sat down.
I bet the cooks don't even get a moment to rest.
Rosa did say every morning feels different and sometimes hard.
I'm starting to understand why. They do not stop working.
And she still had time to explain everything to me while cooking.
She can do many things at the same time. I can't even carry 2 coffee cups without a problem.
It really is. I have a lot more respect for this job now.
Same here. Let's finish eating before it gets busier for Tom too.
Good idea. This bacon is really crispy, by the way.
Excuse me, could we get the check, please?
Of course. Let me get that for you right away.
Thank you. Breakfast was really delicious today.
I'm happy to hear that. Did you enjoy the pancakes?
Yes, they were amazing. We'll definitely come back again.
Great. Please give us one moment while I print your check.
Take your time. We really enjoyed watching the kitchen too.
A lot of guests say that. It's fun to watch during busy mornings.
I can see why. Oh, look, something happened in the kitchen.
Ah, that's just a piece of toast. It got a little too dark.
I saw some smoke near the toaster for a second.
It happens sometimes on very busy mornings. She'll make a new one in 1 minute.
Is that normal during busy mornings like this?
Very normal. When you're cooking fast, small things like that happen sometimes.
I understand. It must be hard to think about every order when the kitchen is this busy.
It is, but Rosa does her job very well. She never gets upset.
That's wonderful. I would probably feel very nervous in that kitchen.
Ha! Most people would. Eggs cool down fast, so she always thinks about which food to serve first.
Look, she already put a new piece of bread in the toaster.
See? It will be ready before I take the other food to that table.
That's really fast. She didn't even stop what she was doing.
That's the job. You just fix small problems and keep moving forward.
I guess you can't let one small mistake slow down the whole kitchen.
Exactly. If she stops for every little thing, there will be too many orders waiting.
I think she's really good at her job. The whole kitchen team, actually.
I'll tell them you said that. It'll make their morning better.
Please do. Here is my card.
Thank you so much. Have a wonderful rest of your day.
You too. I hope work goes well for you today.
Thanks. Come back and see us again soon.
That breakfast was really good. I'm glad we came here.
Me too. This place has such a nice feeling.
Look, there's that sign again. LineCook's wanted.
Are you still thinking about it?
A little. Do you think I could do that job?
You in that kitchen with 10 orders at once?
Well, when you say it like that.
I'm not trying to say something bad. I just remember what we saw today.
No, you're right. That's a good question.
Remember how fast Rosa was moving and the tickets on the rail?
Yeah, and the toast that almost burnt during the busy morning.
Exactly. It's not as easy as it looks from the counter.
You're right. I was watching her hands the whole time.
She was cooking, checking tickets, and talking to you at the same time.
That's true. It is hard for me to cook breakfast for just the two of us.
Remember last week when you made the toast too dark at home?
Don't remind me. That was just one piece of toast, not 10 orders.
And you needed 20 minutes just to make 2 eggs.
Okay, that's true. 20 minutes for 2 eggs is pretty slow.
Rosa would probably finish 6 orders in that same time.
I believe it. She never even looked tired the whole time we watched.
So, no LineCook job for you?
No, I don't think so. I will only eat the food. I will not cook it.
That's probably a good choice.
I'll leave that job to Rosa. I respect her even more now.
Same here. Let's come back next time we're in town.
Definitely. Maybe next time we'll come on a quiet weekday morning instead.
Good idea. We can watch the kitchen without the huge crowd.
Or maybe I'll bring a notebook and write down her secrets instead.
You can ask her nicely. She might even give you some tips.
Maybe I will, but only for cooking 2 eggs, not 10 orders.
Good plan. Let's go. Our day is just getting started.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. How many orders does Rosa, the line cook, have waiting when Ken talks to her in the kitchen? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but useful tips to help you learn. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel, and please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. If you want to study more, this channel also has a membership. Members get a special study guide PDF for every episode. Each PDF has the key words, useful phrases, and extra quiz questions that are not in the video. You can find the link in the description below. If you really want to improve your English, please give it a try. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye!